Thinking about working and living in Australia in 2025? The work permit visa could be your golden ticket to better pay, a better life, and global career opportunities. But the process isn't always easy, until now. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to get your Australia work permit visa in 2025 step by step, with zero fluff. So stay tuned to avoid delays, rejections, and wasted time. Welcome to my channel, your trusted guide for moving to Australia, life abroad, and everything in between. If you're serious about building a better life in Australia, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to support more content like this. Segment 1. What is the Australia Work Permit Visa 2025? Australia's Work Permit Visa, officially known under various subclasses, such as the Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482, or Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189, allows foreign nationals to legally live and work in Australia, either short-term or long-term, based on their occupation and the demand for their skills. There are multiple types of work visas under the Australian immigration system. 482 Visa, TSS, Employer-Sponsored. 186 Visa, Permanent Employer-Sponsored. 189 Visa, Independent Skilled Migration, Points-Based. 190 Visa, State-Sponsored Skilled Migration. 494 Visa, Regional Skilled Employer-Sponsored Working Holiday Visa, 470 to 462, for travelers 18 to 35 years old, depending on nationality. The visa you need depends on your qualifications, occupation, work experience, age, and English proficiency. For most people seeking work in Australia in 2025, the 482 visa is the fastest route. Segment 2. Key requirements for getting a work permit in 2025. To qualify for most Australian work visas in 2025, here's what you need. A. Job offer or sponsorship. For the 482 visa, you must first secure a job offer from an approved Australian employer who is willing to sponsor you. The employer must prove they couldn't find a suitable Australian citizen for the job. B. Occupation on the skilled list. Your job must be listed on the Skilled Occupation List, SOL, or the Medium and Long-Term Strategic Skills List, MLTSSL. These lists are updated annually. Check the official Home Affairs website. C. Skills Assessment. Depending on your occupation, a skills assessment by a recognized Australian authority might be required. For example, if you're an engineer, Engineers Australia will verify your credentials. D. English language proficiency. You'll need to prove your English skills through exams like IELTS, PTE, or TOEFL, minimum score. Usually IELTS 6.0 overall, no band lower than 5. E. Health and character check. Medical examination to prove you're in good health. Police clearance from all countries you've lived in for the past 10+ years. Segment 3. Step-by-step process. How to apply for a work permit. Step 1. Check eligibility. Visit the Department of Home Affairs website and use the Visa Finder tool check if your occupation is in demand. Step 2. Get a job offer. Apply for jobs using seek.com.au, LinkedIn, Indeed Australia, direct company websites. Reach out to Australian employers in regional areas. They often struggle to find local talent. Step 3. Employer sponsorship. Your employer submits a nomination application to sponsor you. They must be an approved standard business sponsor. Step 4. Submit visa application. Lodge your work visa application online via IME account. Upload all necessary documents, certificates, job offer, resume, English test, health checks. Step 5. Wait for processing. 482 visa, around 1 to 3 months. 189 or 190 visa, 4 to 6 months. Processing time can vary depending on your country and document completeness. Step 6. Visa outcome. Once approved, you'll get a notification via email. You can now travel to and start working in Australia legally. 4. How much does it cost? You might also need to pay for English language exams, skills assessment, medical exams, police clearances. 5. How to avoid visa rejections in 2025. Rejections are becoming more common in 2025 due to incomplete documents, false job offers, low English test scores, not meeting skill assessment criteria. Tips to avoid rejection. Use a registered migration agent, MARA certified. Double-check your application for accuracy. Upload all supporting documents clearly and in high quality. Respond promptly to any additional information requests. 6. Top in-demand jobs for 2025 work visa. Australia is actively recruiting in these industries: healthcare, nurses, aged care, GPs, construction, carpenters, electricians, welders, IT and tech, software engineers, data analysts, education, early childhood teachers, secondary teachers, agriculture, farm workers, machine operators, hospitality and tourism, chefs, hotel managers. 7. Permanent residency pathway. Many work visas are pathways to PR in Australia. Work for 3 years on a 482 visa. Apply for PR via 186 visa. State-sponsored 190 visa grants PR. Directly points-tested 189 visa. Direct PR if invited. Getting PR means stay in Australia permanently, sponsor family members, access to Medicare, path to citizenship. Oh, I have made a video on top companies offering job sponsorships in Australia, so you should check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's planning to work in Australia in 2025. If you have any questions about your specific visa situation, drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. And for more personal advice or one-on-one support, connect with me on Instagram or email. Stay tuned for my next video on the top high-paying jobs in Australia for migrants in 2025.